Make yourself valuable, and you'll get paid. Timothy Jensen, Jensen Transport in Independence, Iowa. That's what a friend of mine said to me today. Make yourself valuable, and you'll get paid. And I don't think he's wrong. If you can get into a position where you're growing your skills, you have abilities, you stick and stay in that job to do that, you're going to get paid and you're going to be valuable, and people are going to appreciate you, and people are going to respect you, and that's going to show. It's going to show in your organization. It's going to show in your relationships. It's just going to help everything around you grow and be better. Because if you're not valuable yourself, growing your own skills and abilities, or providing value to others, people don't value you. They're not going to pay you. They're not going to want to have you on their team. They're just not going to want to spend time with you. Some of us just have so little free time. We're trying to do as much as we can with what little time we have. And that opportunity to do that, we have to become more valuable and better for everybody. We have to become more valuable here at our jobs. We have to become more valuable at home with our family. We have to become more valuable just for ourselves, to take that time and even grow our own skills and abilities so that we can meet all those needs. And if you're not pouring anything into yourself, if you're not spending any time on yourself, if everything is a constant drain from you and you're not providing value to anybody, don't be surprised when people don't call on you. People don't need you. People don't pay you. People don't want you around. Just people won't have time for you. So become valuable so you can get paid, so that people can respect you, so that people need you, so that people want you on your team, so that they can work with you. I think everybody always needs someone that is willing to pitch in and help, be able to grow others, maybe not so much as a mentor, but just being with someone sometimes. Sometimes you just need someone to look over something. And if you're the only one in your team that you have and can bounce ideas off, it feels like you're just, alone, you need to reach out, and maybe you need to become better. Maybe the people that you would reach out to and talk to about that, maybe they don't see the value in you. Maybe you need to become better in what you're doing. Maybe you need to ask better questions. Maybe you need to bring completed work in. Maybe you need to be finishing tasks. Because if you've got a bunch of stuff that's been given or assigned to you and you're not getting any of it done, or you're not even working on it at all, you're becoming less valuable. If anything, you're not helping the organization or your family or your group or your partner or your husband or your wife. You've really got to pitch in and do that. So become valuable, and you'll get paid. It's not always money. Sometimes you just get paid in approval, acceptance, or even the fact that someone says, hey, I appreciate you, I value our relationship. And sometimes it's as simple as, reaching out to someone that you do like. I reached out to someone this morning. I said, hey, if there's any way that we can ever help you, let us know. We've got parts discounts, we've got opportunities to talk to other customers, other people. Let me know. So, hey, be great, be valuable, and we'll talk to you later. Timothy Jensen, Jensen Transport.